I'm contestant 2539. Today we'll be making white braided bread. And right now we're going to be doing the measurements. Right now we'll be doing yeast, and that will be 0.4 ounces of yeast. There we go, 0.4 ounces of yeast. Next we'll be doing water. It will be 10.4 ounces of water. And we'll be mixing the yeast in the water before it can start blooming while the other ingredients we're doing. Let's get together. Go for it. Put it right on the side for now. We'll be doing bread flour. Be 16 ounces, or it can be a pound of bread flour. Salt probably 0.36 ounces. Go 0.36 ounces of salt. Next is sugar. So we'll be doing 0.8 ounces of sugar. Would be 0.8 ounces too. 0.8 ounces of milk powder. 0.8 ounces of milk powder. 0.8 ounces of shortening. I'm in the mixing process, and all my ingredients in here is yeast, water, bread flour, salt, sugar, milk powder, and shortening. And I'm going to mix this up until we get the dough we need. Now this is pretty good. We're going to spread some flour. Spread it up good. Now I'm going to start heating. Okay, now check it again. Check the window. It is good enough. Okay, red's doubled. So I'm going to take the temperature, 80 degrees. Or I'm going to weigh this. Right. Now since I have 3 balls, I'm going to roll them. My 2 loaves are done proving. The process is done. They doubled, and now we're going to put them in the oven right now. Today, I'm going to be doing the sugar cookie recipe, and I'm going to be doing the measurements right now. I'm going to be doing sugar, 10 ounces. I'll be doing salt, and salt is 14 ounces. Next, I'll be doing butter. I'll be putting butter up. perfect. We need 3 ounces. Now we need baking flour. Let me get a bowl quickly. We need 17 ounces of bread flour. Pick it up. Okay, make sure it's on 0. 17 ounces. 17 ounces. After we need do baking powder. Give it 16 ounces for the baking powder. Mine's bad. Bread flour. The pound. Right here. We need another bowl. We gotta do baking powder. 0.42 ounces. I'm gonna pour some on here. And after that, we'll do vanilla. 0.15 ounces. There we go. We're gonna cream our butter and sugar right now. That, I'm gonna add the egg and vanilla. After that, I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients, flour,